My friends, now I have come to Tagda Orchid Garden from Darjeeling with the great driver support of my best friend Avinash Kumar. My friends, in future, if you will be interested to come to any associated traveling areas of Darjeeling, then you may get the driver support from my best friend Avinash Kumar. My friends, give your number to my friends.
My number is 9883907321.
अच्छा 988
390
390
7321.
7321. My friends, please register his name and contact number in your diary. In future, if you will be planning from Darjeeling to its associated traveling areas, then you may contact with Avinash Kumar. I think you will get the best transportation service at least possible cost.
Thank you.
My friends, this is the time to enter Tagda Orchid Garden. Okay. This time I am drawing my ticket by paying rupees 20. My friends, right now I have entered inside the Tagda Orchid Garden. My friends, gradually we shall show you the all areas in Tagda Orchid Garden. Tagda Orchid Center is more than a century old. It is now a part of Directorate of Forest, Government of West Bengal, and is a leading research center of medicinal plants and orchid. Here we shall find a series of big and tall pine trees on the top of the garden and running clouds through the trees, which will bring a thrill and excitement. My friends, now I am entering Tagda Wild Orchid Center. My friends, Tagda Wild Orchid Garden in Darjeeling is a popular attraction for nature lovers and orchid enthusiasts, showcasing a wide variety of orchids and providing a tranquil environment for exploration. It is known as well-maintained gardens, diverse orchid species, and breathtaking mountain views. My friends, this center offers educational tours and displays local handicraft. This center features a diverse collection of orchid species, showcasing their vibrant colors and unique shapes. Visitors can learn the life cycle, cultivation, and ecological importance of orchids through the educational tours. My friends, local artists may display their handicraft, adding a cultural dimension to the visit. This center location is the stunning views of the surrounding mountains and the tea estate. Some believe that center was once a British cantonment adding a historical layer to its appeal. My friends, this is the beautiful orchid garden. My friends, now I am entering Tagda Orchid Center. My friends, this Tagda Orchid Center has experienced revival after a period of neglect due to political unrest, with government efforts to restore its former glories. The Tagda Orchid Center is generally opened to visitors from February to April, but it is recommended to check for any specific seasonal variations or updates. The area outside Orchid Enclosure is designed like a park, offering additional walking and exploration opportunities. This is a beautiful place to spend the time in, especially if we are nature lovers. My friends, Tagda is originally called as Tugda, which is Lepcha word for mist and fog. Tagda extends an impeccable and extraordinary experience of exploring the offbeat destination in Darjeeling Hills. This place stands as a perfect visual representation of natural splendor. Amongst the host attraction and activities, Tagda Orchid Center stands as an ideal reason to fall in love with the place. My friends, tracing back to the British era, this garden area was appointed as the gathering spot of British soldiers. Historical evidence affirms that Tagda was home to the 2nd Battalion British troops that was drawn to fight in First World War. My friends, tales about the First World War are articulated from the generation who actually testified the yarn. My friends, Tagda Orchid Center, once neglected, is now well maintained. It is presently owned by Government of West Bengal. A large number of tourists come here simply to visit Orchid Center. Surprisingly, flat and even strays exist amidst the garden, comprising the stunning Orchid Center. My friends, amongst the large variety, this place conserves the wild orchid, including the rare variety of Himalayan orchids. This center also boasts of a herbal garden that has a host of medicinal plants grown and cultivated for medicinal purposes. My friends, Orchid Garden Tagda. My friends, after all, I have entered inside of Tagda Orchid Garden. Here I have seen varieties of orchid, and I have shown you the nursery of orchid. My friends, if you are interested, please come down to Tagda Orchid Garden. Then you will come to see the varieties of orchid. My friends, thank you so much.